Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your data with ClickFunnels, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your ClickFunnels dashboard. Log in using your credentials to reach the main interface. Navigate to the settings section in your account. Locate the security settings tab within the settings menu. Enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. Choose your preferred method for the second factor, such as text message or authentication app. Ensure that your primary email address is verified and secure. Consider using a unique, strong password for your ClickFunnels account. Use a password manager to generate and store your passwords securely. Regularly update your password to maintain account security. Review the integration settings for any third-party applications linked to ClickFunnels. Limit access to the account by only sharing login information with trusted team members. Set user permissions carefully if you have a team working on the same account. Regularly audit user access and remove any individuals who no longer need entry. Monitor your account activity for any unusual behavior. Utilize ClickFunnels' built-in analytics to track your funnel performance securely. Regularly back up your funnels and data to prevent loss. Export your funnel data and save it in a safe location. Educate yourself and your team on phishing attacks and other security threats. Keep all software, including browsers, updated to patch vulnerabilities. Review ClickFunnels' security resources and support options for further guidance. By following these steps, you can efficiently safeguard your data within ClickFunnels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.